Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll look at how we can connect to a Rocky Linux machine from a Windows 11 device. Now we'll be using SSH to do the connection. I'm gonna open the terminal. The first thing we want to do on the Rocky Linux machine is verify that SSH is installed and running. Now I'm gonna run the commands to install SSH. The command is sudo dnf install open SSH -server -y for yes. Put in our password here. Okay, it's complete. Now the next thing is to check the status of SSH. We want to make sure that it's enabled, active and running. We can use sudo systemctl status SSH. So this is a Rocky Linux. We might have to use SSHD, and indeed it's active and running. It's enabled. Now if it wasn't active and running, we can enable it using the command sudo systemctl enable SSHD, and to start the services we'll use start SSHD. Okay, now that we've verified that we have SSH installed, active and running, the next thing we need to do is get the IP of this Rocky Linux machine. Clear this. And actually we can check the version of Rocky Linux we're running. So we can check the version of Rocky Linux we're running. We can use etc OS release. Okay, so we're running Rocky Linux 10. Okay, now we'll check the IP address on this Rocky Linux machine using IP address. So we need this IP address right here. So 192.168.1.246. We'll need to use this IP on the Windows 11 machine to do the remote connection. Now we might need to log out if we're going to use the same user to log into this Rocky Linux machine. I'm just going to go ahead and log out. Then we'll go to the Windows 11 machine. I'm going to go ahead and log into this Windows 11 machine. Okay, and then I'm just going to go ahead and open the command prompt. Now you can use the command prompt, or you can also use PowerShell. So I can just say cmd, and from here the first thing we'll do is try and ping that Rocky Linux machine. We'll ping was 192.168.1.246. Okay, press enter and we're able to ping it. So I sent 4 packets and I received 4 packets. Now to use SSH is inbuilt. We don't have to install it on a Windows 11 machine. Let me do this. If you do SSH and press enter, you see the options, which tells us that we are good. We have SSH installed. To do the connection using SSH, the command is SSH, and then the username, @ and then the IP of the Rocky Linux device, 192.168.1.246. Press enter. Yes. Put in the password for the user Nino, and I'm logged in. I can do W. You can see that we have this SSHD session right here. So that's all for this video. That's how you can remotely connect to a Rocky Linux machine from a Windows 11 machine using SSH. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.